Hello everyone, my name is Swati and today we are going to learn a complete beginner yoga routine which will help you grow your practice and make you feel calm, comfortable and relaxed. अगर आपके पास कोई भी पास्ट एक्सपीरियंस नहीं है योगा करने का तो आप अपनी योगा जर्नी यहाँ से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. So without wasting any further time, अपनी मैट पर चलते हैं and let's start.
Let's come into a comfortable seated position on the mat, which is called Sukhasana. Relax your shoulders. Sit up tall with your spine elongated. Close your eyes and try to focus all your energy on the center of your forehead. Let's take few deep breaths here to connect our mind, body and soul. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Now as you inhale, raise your hands up and look towards the sky and feel a nice stretch in the sides of your body, your armpits and on the back of your neck. Slowly exhale and bring your hands down. Once again, inhale, stretch your hands up towards the sky, stretch your neck up nicely and exhale, come back to the center. Let's do some side stretches here now. Inhale, raise your hands up and as you exhale, place your left hand on the mat and stretch your right hand towards the side. Try to feel a gentle stretch on the right side of your body. Once again, inhale, raise your both hands up and exhale, come back to the center. अब यही चीज हम दूसरी साइड भी करेंगे. Inhale, raise your hands up and this time bring your right hand down on the mat and left hand को साइड की तरफ stretch करेंगे. And again you will feel the stretch along the left side of your body. Inhale, raise your hands up and exhale, come back to the center. Now we will add some seated twists to this routine. Twisting generally बहुत ही beneficial है to improve your overall digestion. और अगर आपको back pain की problem है, then also twists are a wonderful exercise to release that back pain. Inhale, place your right palm on your left knee, raise your left arm up towards the sky and place it down towards your back at the center of your spine. Now exhale, twist and look towards your back above your shoulders. Take few deep breaths here and slowly as you exhale, come back to the center. Let's take it to the other side. This time, place your left palm on your right knee, raise your right arm up towards the sky and place it down towards the back at the center of your spine. Twist and take few deep breaths here. Inhale and exhale. Now slowly come back to the center and relax. अब अपने दोनों legs को side में open करेंगे and bring your toes like this facing towards each other. एंड मेक श्योर कि आपकी स्पाइन स्ट्रेट और elongated रहे. Now slowly intertwine your fingers and place it under your toes like this and stretch your neck up towards the sky. Now gently bring your gaze down और इसी पोजीशन में हम फॉरवर्ड फोल्ड करेंगे, जिसे हम बद्ध कोण आसन भी कहते हैं. एंड आप फील करेंगे एक नाइस स्ट्रेच इन योर इनर थाइज एंड योर कंप्लीट पेल्विक एरिया. एक चीज का हमें ध्यान रखना है फॉरवर्ड फोल्ड करते टाइम कि जब आप फॉरवर्ड फोल्ड कर रहे हैं तो आपकी स्पाइन अच्छे से इलोंगेटेड रहे एंड यू डोंट राउंड योर बैक. एंड ट्राई टू टच योर चेस्ट टुवर्ड्स योर टोस. Take few deep breaths here, and with the last exhale, come back to the center and relax here for a while. As you come out of this posture, slowly take few deep breaths and flap your legs like a butterfly. ये आसन आपकी ओवरऑल रिप्रोडक्टिव हेल्थ के लिए बहुत ही बेनिफिशियल है. इफ़ यू आर फेसिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ हार्मोनल इम्बैलेंस इन योर बॉडी, तो आप रोज एटलीस्ट 2 से 3 मिनट इस आसन की प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हैं. नाउ लेट्स कम ऑन ऑल फोर्स. मेक श्योर कि आपके शोल्डर्स और रिस्ट्स एक लाइन में हो एंड आपके हिप्स और नीज एक लाइन में है. And we will begin with the cat and cow flow. This is also an amazing flow अगर आप डेस्क जॉब में हैं and you are sitting and working for long hours on your laptop. This is an amazing flow to stretch your back and your neck muscles. Now as you inhale, slowly stretch your neck up, open up your chest, arch your spine and try to push your belly towards the mat. This is what we call as the cow pose. And as you exhale, slowly squeeze in your muscles here, round your spine, bring your chin to your chest, and this is what we call as the cat pose. Slowly exhale and come back to the center in a nice tabletop position. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale up and exhale down. Last 1 more time. Inhale up and exhale down. Now slowly release your spine and come back into a neutral position. From here, stretch your left leg at the back and bring it forward in between your palms. And make sure कि आपके palms and toes are in a straight line. Now slowly start pushing your pelvic forward and raise your hands up gently towards the sky and look up. एक बहुत ही सूदिंग और जेंटल स्ट्रेच आपको फील होगा आपके इनर थाइज और पेल्विक एरिया में. Exhale, bring your hands down and bring your leg back and come back to the center in a neutral position. अब यही स्ट्रेच हम राइट लेग से करेंगे. Slowly stretch your right leg at the back and bring it forward in between your palms. अब धीरे धीरे अपने पेल्विक को आगे की ओर पुश करेंगे ताकि आपको अपने इनर थाइज और पेल्विक एरिया में अगेन एक जेंटल सूदिंग स्ट्रेच फील हो. And the more you breathe deeply, the more you will be able to stretch your pelvic forward. Raise your hands up and look towards the sky. Gently release your breath here. Bring your hands down. Bring your leg back and come back to the center. Now we move towards the end of this practice, and from here we will go into an extended child's pose. अपने knees को थोड़ा और wide करेंगे and try to touch the tip of your toes together at the back. Look forward, bring your hips back, stretch your arms forward, and slowly, as you take a deep breath, bow down your head and thank the Mother Earth for everything and rest here for a while. Try and focus yourself on the positive energy you feel in your body after this practice, the calmness in your thoughts, and the magic which just happened in your body in the form of yoga. Now slowly rise up, and इसी position में we will do a small stretch here. Interlock your hands at the back. Open your shoulders. Exhale. Bend forward and touch your forehead to the mat. अच्छे से अपने shoulder blades को squeeze करेंगे. One more time. Inhale up and exhale. Bow down and touch your forehead to the mat. Take few deep breaths here and gently gather all the positive energy from the Mother Earth into your body. And with your last exhale, slowly rise up and relax. Now gently lie down on your back and अपने दोनों hands को sidewise खोलेंगे. Legs को fold करके bring them to your chest and slowly take the legs towards your right and look towards your left. Once again, come back to the center and this time अपने legs को left की ओर लेके जाएंगे and look towards your right. You will feel a nice massage in your spine as you roll from side to side. Now slowly release your legs. Bring your hands down to the side of your body. And let's rest here in Shavasana for a few deep breaths. Feel a positive affirmation about yourself, your health, your mind, and your soul. Take few deep breaths here as you gather your thoughts after this practice. Now slowly open your eyes, turn towards your right, and come back to a comfortable seated position on your mat. Bring your hands to your heart in a prayer position and let's chant 1 time Omkara and 3 times Shanti. Take a deep breath here. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Slowly start rubbing your hands to generate heat Bring your hands to your eyes. Massage on your face, your ears, neck, shoulders, biceps, triceps, calf muscles, and stomach. Slowly bring your hands in front of you and gently open your eyes. Namaste.
Thank you everyone for joining me today for this practice. If you liked this video, please comment below and let me know. And do subscribe to my channel where I share wisdom, tips and tricks about health, nutrition, yoga and mindfulness. And I will see you in my next video very soon.